In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add days to a date in Smartsheet. Let's start by heading to Smartsheet in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your work. Once you're in, you'll see your left side panel with your workspaces and items. Next, navigate to the workspace that contains the sheet you want to update. The workspace is simply the folder or space where your sheets live. Click into it to reveal your list of sheets and find the one you want to work with. Open your sheet so you're looking at it in grid view. This view lets you work directly with rows and columns, which is exactly what we need. If your sheet has multiple views, grid is the most straightforward for entering and confirming date formulas. Now focus on the date column you want to adjust. This is the column that will hold the results after you add days. Make sure you can see the date you're starting from in each row, whether that's in the same column or a different one like start date or received date. If you ever need to check, the column type should be set to date, so Smartsheet formats the results correctly. In each row, you'll enter the days you want to add using a simple formula. Click into the cell where you want the new date to appear, type an equals sign, then click the source date in that same row, type a plus sign, and enter the number of days you want to add. For example, EVBs, your date cell, plus 7, add 7 days. Press enter and Smartsheet will instantly return the new date. If you want the same number of days added across multiple rows, use the fill handle to copy that formula down the column. If your rows require different day counts, edit the number in each row's formula. If you already track a day count in another column, you can reference it instead, like your date cell, days cell. So each row calculates automatically from your data. A couple of tips as you go: adding a whole number to a date in Smartsheet moves it forward by that many calendar days. If you need business days only, consider using the workday function with a day count and optional holiday list. To keep your original dates intact, place your formulas in a separate date type column so you always have both the source date and the calculated date. And if you want every new row to calculate automatically, convert the formula to a column formula so it applies consistently. That's all there is to it. Quick, reliable, and easy to maintain.